Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is just a quick show and tell of these cute rosette gift toppers that I've made. I made them using cupcake liners, some scraps of fabric, added embellishments, and then some fun word sayings. I'll go ahead and show you the ones that I've done here. So let's see, here's one. First, well, actually I'm going to start with this one. So this, the wording is happy birthday on here, made like a little banner to add to the back. I've layered different cupcake liners on here. The bottom one is a kind of a purple and white check, and then this one is a green one with has some stripes on it, but you don't really see the stripes because I put a gold metallic cupcake liner on top there. And then I gathered some fabric. My sister had given me some fabric when I was there visiting her a couple months ago, and so I gathered some strips of fabric and used that, and then added a button embellishment. Another one is this one here. It says best wishes. I just got some lace trim on the banner there. This is another fabric flower that I've used, gathered in here, just some white kind of cotton fabric there, and then the gold liner, and then the paper rosette that I've made for the center. There's just another one with the rosette as well. This one says happy birthday with a printed banner and some fabric lace trim on there, and then layered up with the fabric flower again and the rosette on top. And you could put whatever sayings you like on these. Here's one I did that says get well soon. It's got the cupcake liner on there, and then a kind of a frayed white fabric flower, and then I layered the rosette on top of that with a little pearl embellishment. Let's see, this one says dream, and I used buttons and the fabric for that one. I cut out a little bird, and the little circle punch I used on there as well with some trim. And this one here, best wishes, and just similar ideas with the buttons. And this one here is a button as well. So yeah, those were really fun to make. I think they would be great to add to wrap packages, or add as little add-ons to your my cellophane bags, maybe added to the toppers. You could also put paper straws and use them as party favors. The words, of course, could be changed to suit whatever your party theme is. So yeah, so I hope you're inspired and give them a try. Thanks for all your comments and for subscribing, and I hope you enjoy your day. Bye for now.